Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix third-party app not installing on iPhone and iPad. Let's start the video. First, open the settings menu on your iPhone or iPad. On the settings menu, turn on airplane mode. After that, scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. On the Safari menu, scroll down to find Clear History and Website Data and tap on it. Tap on Clear History and Data. Do you also want to close all tabs? Yes, we also want to close all tabs. Click on Close Tabs. Now go back to Settings menu, scroll up and tap on General. After that, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Click on Reset Network Settings to confirm. So guys, after resetting the network setting, turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data on your iOS device. After that, try to reinstall the app that is not installing on your iPhone or iPad. Your problem will be resolved.